Delete the first 3 rows of a data frame in pandas. I need to delete the first 3 rows of a data frame in pandas. I know df.9 column -1 would remove the last row, but I can't figure out how to remove first in rows.
Use illic. We'll give you a new df without the first 3 rows.
I think a more explicit way of doing this is to use drop. The syntax is, and as pointed out by Tim and @Chang, this can be done in place. One way of implementing this could be, and another in place use.
N drops the first n rows.
A simple way is to use tail n to remove the first n rows. df equals df dot tail -3.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.